Hey y'all, today we're going to talk about this Kaboom Science Lab Kit. If you have a child that loves to make things explode or fizz or rockets or anything, this is such a fun little science kit. We had one before and we actually just bought another one so my son can do some more of the experiments because he lost some of the other pieces. And he just absolutely loves it. It is perfect for like rainy days or snowy days you're stuck inside. It comes with really good instructions that explain how to do the experiments, what happened, why it happened. It also has like different like real life things that it talks about. So you can really get your kids excited about science. And it comes with everything that you're going to need inside here. I mean, you do need some home things sometimes, like some water and stuff like that, but it has most of the chemicals that you're going to need in here. Overall, me and my son love this kit and it's so much fun to do together.